Blindfolded perfume.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another vlog, but today I have Emily and Jenna. Hi. I'm so excited. We are going, I should probably get going now. We're going to Tokyo, like this place to eat food. And then we are gonna do some fun stuff later in the vlog. My speaker just died, so there's that. We're at Target. I have Starbucks. She has Starbucks. She has Starbucks. Okay, so I got my passion tea lemonade, and she got the pink drink, and she got a caramel macchiato, I think. Yeah. Oh, those are cool. Okay. I like this color. Yeah, I like that color. Oh my gosh. I'm getting this. We're at Five Below now. Yeah.
Cookie surprise.
I want every one of them. Which one should I get?
I like this one.
Mint.
Okay, so we're at Tokyo right now.
This is my favorite restaurant because I love sushi.
Yeah.
I just like the chicken and the yum sauce.
Well, I have never been here, so this is gonna be my first time being here. It's like this place that they like cut up food in front of you, and it's supposed to be cool.
I come here probably once a week.
Oh my! I don't like sushi, so we'll see how this is gonna go.
Alright, you're gonna make the only volcano. That's all. After cooking in Japan. It'll fire it up. And here we come. Okay.
See, it's not bad.
I'm making them try my sushi because sushi's actually really good.
We're done eating. We're waiting for our boxes now.
I'm so full.
I'm really
I'm
full.
very full.
Yeah.
Sushi doesn't normally fill me all the way up, but I'm so full.
Well, you had
Normally
like,
I share
you had
it,
like
though.
art. Yeah.
And I share it.
You ate half my chicken.
They tried the sushi, and they
It was
Okay.
bearable.
Mine was okay. I
I
wasn't.
drenched mine in the yum sauce.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We've already introduced Murfita.
I'm scared.
Essie's birthday today. Count of three. We're gonna sing happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. What? They called you because I know.
Pedestrian. 10 points. Oh, this. What was that? You guys are boring.
I'm sorry. I'm concentrating.
Emily's just looking at whatever that is.
I don't know the words, or I would sing.
I know every word.
Put it up.
I want to go snowmobiling. My dad's selling my snowmobile. What the heck? Why are all these police cars?
Thank you.
Smell of your perfume.
Seat warmers.
Yeah, your butt warm.
Seat heaters. Seat heaters. Seat warmers.
Is your butt warm?
Yes. My butt is warm.
It's always on a night like tonight. I think that you can read my mind.
Oh, she speeded
Real fast.
My sister crashed my car.
My sister can't drive.
Lucky.
My sister has kids.
My exes live in Texas.
If you shake it, more comes out.
You're still drinking that?
Yeah. I love strawberries.
Hey guys. guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to be doing a blindfolded slime. It is up to Jenna, I don't know. She's gonna explain it all to us because I have no idea what I'm doing.
Oh, and this is Murpita right here.
Oh!
So, well, yes. Okay, so we're gonna say go. We're gonna put on our blindfolds, and then Josie is going to like
Help us?
mix these around and put them in places that we don't know. We have
That is such a bad
different
Those are
food colorings, and we have a bunch of different glitters here that we can put into it, and we have pom-poms and whatever this is. Kendall picked it out, I don't know.
Wait, what is it?
That's Easter basket.
And we have our bowls, and we're using butter knives to mix it because
But like,
that's going in there.
Expose yourself. Expose. I got it. It's all over my hand.
there we go.
Guys, this is not okay.
I don't know
Am
what
I
color
pouring
this
it?
is.
Is it going?
How much
It's all
color?
over the counter. It is not.
I want.
I don't know how much I'm pouring.
Get out of my way.
Wait.
I just picked
It's in
up
my
a bunch of
hands
freaking
now.
glitter.
Oh, look it. Here's a. Here,
I
I'll
have
put
to
it-
feel it in order to feel what I'm putting into my slime.
Hey, you shouldn't be feeling it.
But I'm feeling because I'm. Oh.
I don't think I want to put this stuff in there. This Easter basket stuff.
Me either.
But I am.
Ah!
Wait. How do I?
I can't move. Okay, I want this. Where are
How
the
many-
scissors?
Just open it. Give me it.
Scissors.
Give me. Oh. Oh! Some of it went in mine. Right here.
Hey!
Here.
Is it going in the bowl?
This is ridiculous. Wait, how do we know how many things we put in here?
How do I open these?
Which ones are you trying to open?
Glitter.
How do you know it's glitter? Emily,
Yes.
you're.
I'm
bandana
mixing
thing
mine.
better be
I'm
right.
mixing mine.
Oh! Something just fell in my lap.
I just heard a bunch of things go everywhere. Where are the scissors? Josie scissors now.
I think Josie left.
That's not the magic word.
Please.
Why would you hand them to me like that?
Ow!
They're not gonna cut
Wait,
me.
I lost my knife.
Oh my gosh.
Come on.
Did I just actually cut this open by myself?
I think you did.
Oh, I dropped the lid in.
Yours
Guys,
is looking not bad at all. I feel like you're peeking for sure. Because it's looking really good.
I'm stirring mine now.
I need another glitter.
What's end do we put to stir in? The big end or the little?
I'm catching
I
a
put the-
little bit of sneaky vibes.
Jenna?
No, I'm
Jenna?
not.
Hey, I'm watching you, punk.
How
Yeah,
much
you
do we
keep
mix?
I
watching
see the
that.
bottom of that bandana.
Okay,
much
pull
do
it
we
down
mix
then.
this?
Ow!
How much do we mix
You just
this?
poked my.
Well, we
You
need to
don't-
put activator in.
Where's?
Okay, I'm ready for
Oh,
action.
there's something on the counter.
I found the activator. Wait, can I put that on? In it yet? Oh. How do I know how much I need?
Just go for
What
it.
if I just put a lot in there, like too much?
I feel like there can't be too much.
Activator?
Yes, there can be too much activator.
How does mine looking? Do I need to take it out now?
Wait, how do you know?
What happened?
I want to look!
Can we take our blindfolds off?
No, not yet.
What is happening?
It's fun.
Wait.
We're doing another one.
Is this right?
These
Ew.
balls do not work very well with the slime.
No, don't put the fuzzies in there. Okay, so what did we learn from this?
Don't ever do blindfold slime ever again.
Okay, so this is my slime.
Oh my gosh.
I love this.
Why are you so good at
Oh yeah.
How much do I put?
A little bit at a time.
That's good.
Oh. And now I just mix it
Do
with
I need more?
Yes.
my eyes itchy. Oh my gosh.
Dang.
Disgusting.
Now make it?
I'm making Valentine's Day.
My birthday's on Valentine's Day.
Wait, do I need more activator, guys?
Yes.
Activator. Activate.
Activator.
Glitter
Activate.
sucks.
That was the one she cheated on.
I didn't cheat. I was blindfolded. It's actually really pretty.
All blue?
The color scheme is perfect.
No,
Yeah.
there's
There's
purple.
nothing that doesn't match.
You cheating.
Disgusting.
I didn't cheat.
You did.
I didn't cheat. My bracelet is super glued to my hand, so I can't even take it off. I super glued my bracelet to my hand.
Which one of yours?
Which one of you is took a
Which one of yours took a shot in the toilet?
in the toilet?
Doesn't matter how it's
Disgusting! Kendall, insert disgusting video.
Disgusting!
Look.
I'm a hacker.
This is my.
Is this actually like I made slime?
So I'm not really good at making.
Cause my body's too bootylicious, baby. Okay, clear glue is actually really satisfying. It's actually okay. What the heck?
I don't think you're ready for this job.
Where'd Jake go?
To his basketball practice.
How'd he get there?
Probably my family, my dad. Made this one, but got it stuck to things.
Kendall.
Kendall made this
Got your
one.
slime stuck in paper towel. Oh, it is.
She got it stuck to paper towel too. This is the one that Emily made.
The first one.
The blindfold one. And then Emily just made this one. Okay, it actually stretches.
This one doesn't.
Unlike every other one. Did you hear that? And then, I destroyed it. This is one that I made. I made this one. I just made it.
Pretty good. So that's hers.
Texture-wise, very nice. Looks, I'm digging it.
All right, ready? Next. What's the next ones? Okay, so here's mine.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
I like it.
So and yeah, and like you know.
Yeah.
Woo!
And she's
Got
got little
sparkles.
things in it. She's got more.
This is mine.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
It's pretty nice. Got a lot of...
That's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. I like the
All
color.
right. Josie. Okay. So Josie's gonna pick her favorite.
Can I make it a tie?
No.
No.
You're gonna be like, I picked Kendall and Emily because.
Well, Jenna, your texture is really nice. Like it's something that I would really like playing
Ooh.
with. But also, I have to, like, you gotta lose points in that you didn't add any of these cool things.
Okay, but I added
sparkles.
I added
and
these
diamonds.
stars.
They
adding
both
more
have
hearts.
these little like accent things all over.
My feels
So-
like you can feel the stars when you like fall.
Yeah.
Me too.
I'm thinking my favorite with overall things has got to be Kendall. Because she's got like a good texture that you can play with, but she's also got the things in it.
No, comment down below who won.
Yeah, comment down below who won. Okay, so we're gonna end this video now.
No.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Blooper.